Meet the New Jersey's leading reconstructive surgeon, Dr. David Evdokimov, highly skilled and prominent for giving outstanding results. His qualification from esteemed international institutions and contemporary techniques has revolutionized the reconstructive and cosmetic surgery. Dr. Evdokimov has an excellent reputation due to his establishments performing complex surgeries where other surgeons decline. He is an American Board of Plastic Surgery 4 Hill certified reconstructive surgeon and is the first choice of patients for the perfect plastic surgery. He is a pathfinder who inspires his patients to revive their spirit and celebrate their life after a major surgery. His leading-edge techniques in plastic surgery fix the errors of failed surgeries. Patients and other physicians approach him for second opinions. When you want a surgeon who is caring, warm-hearted and best in his work, Dr. Evdokimov is the one for you. He is the person who will not directly take you under his knife, rather he will educate and help you to accomplish the finest outcome of the surgery. His passion for plastic surgery and down-to-earth, forthright path is highly appreciated among patients. Dr. Evdokimov curbs the anxiety of patients by taking utmost care and making the entire treatment complacent. Any individual wants a one-on-one care and excellent results while he is under treatment of a doctor. The personalized attention is what you will get with Dr. David Evdokimov. Patients approach him to bring about a specific alteration in appearance or a reconstructive surgery post-trauma. To know why he is the right surgeon for you, get connected with Dr. Evdokimov online or call at 908-221-1136. Personal characteristics. Dr. Evdokimov is integrated with honesty, uprightness and a perfectionist, the essence of a plastic surgeon. His "the sky's the limit" demeanor gives excellent results in the most difficult of surgeries. The fingers which adorn the cosmetic surgery are also embellishing painting and sculpting. His accomplishments in the medical field haven't restricted his boundaries to help people in need. He was among the many responders after 9/11 who gave their helping hand to firefighters and police. Dr. David Evdokimov, New Jersey plastic surgery doctor, has adopted the latest and most advanced stage of technology to conduct various surgical procedures. The reconstructive surgery he performs are breast reconstruction, after cancer, hand, migraine, craniofacial, trauma surgery and scar reduction. To name a few procedures such as facelift, blepharoplasty, neck lift, rhinoplasty, liposuction, Botox, injectable fillers, fat grafting is outstandingly done by him. Dr. Evdokimov has continuously enlightened his knowledge for the benefits of his patients. He is a renowned speaker presenting his work at many international events such as the New England Hand Society Annual Meeting, the Indiana chapter of the American College of Surgeons, and the 41st Annual Meeting of American Society of Plastic Surgery.